Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to explore more of the Rivery town sprites and how they work. So let's begin. So if you have watched it, if you have watched the previous parts, you will know that we covered the codes till sprite 1 and boat. Anyway, I will like to give you a summary of all these. So this is the main character, and it moves when you click on the arrow keys. And we also tested the project out, and the boat is there which says when it's clicked. And so these are all which we covered. Please watch the previous video to know exactly what we did. Now coming on to the next part, Elva the princess of Rito. So this is Elva, the character name is Elva. Let me zoom in. Yes. So now we click on it and we can zoom in like this. So as you can see, it's the only event block when the sprite is clicked, and the two looks blocks say, and then another event block, and then the looks blocks, and then the show, and then the loop blocks. These are the loop blocks. And now we will scroll down to see how the person hides when the backdrop is switched. So the events blocks are used for that. Next we are going to know about another character called Vita. So Vita appears at the end when you finally reach the railway station. Then she appears at the end, and the same way she hides when the backdrop is switches, and when the backdrop is switched to a certain backdrop, she shows shows herself. Now we come to, yes, now this is a sprite with very little code. You can see only two event blocks and two hide and show looks blocks. The home message depicts that you have reached the railway station on the last backdrop. And when the flag is clicked, it hides itself. Now comes the collar. The collar is a bit of a sprite with very long codes, but we will know how it works. So when it's clicked, it goes to the back layer and switches costume to costume 1. And forever, if costume number is 1, then it stops all sounds. In the last part, we discovered a glitch also, which I will tell you later on when this sprite clicked. So I'll tell you how. When we click it, this,
Hello, welcome to call center. What are you looking for?
so it asks this and waits. And the sound is started by it. And if the answer, keep in mind that we have not used the if answer is equal to. No. Because that would be like the person is saying, can you help me with the directions? Then 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 the call caller would not work, because the answer is not equal to directions, but it is equal to can you help me with directions. So that's why we have used here the contained block, the contains if answer contains. directions block, so it would make the caller it easy for the caller. If the backdrop number is 1, then it plays the sound this, plays the sound this, plays the sound this. So actually it doesn't perform an actual call. That would be like wow. But predefined it has predefined sounds that play when the answer is or the certain condition is satisfied. Next there is the else. If the answer contains more, the fact is played. Else there is nothing done. If not, answer contains I want to know more about the town, or answer contains directions. Not the not block has also been used. So the not block has been used to to see if the answer is not containing the things written. Then it plays the sound couldn't help and then adds the answer to cues. Now cues is a very special feature called a list. So these are the questions that the call center could not answer. So I can review the questions and then make a predefined sound of all of for all of them to answer all of them. So and then I remove the questions that have been answered. As long as someone asks such a question, because mostly people want to know more about the town or people ask for directions at a call center, tourist call center. Moving on to the next, this is the thumbnail sprite. It is a very complicated sprite with very little code, and you know why? Because this little code is known by rarely many scratchers know about this. So I'm going to reveal how the thumbnail is shown when the stop button is clicked. So first of all, you design the thumbnail in the costumes tab, and then you add the events block, and forever you see the effects. In one of my videos I have discovered the looks blocks. I have explained the looks blocks, and the we have discovered the effect block. So these are all the effects. If I say ghost effect, then it would get lighter, 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 and lighter, and transparent. If we do the brightness, then that would brighten the brighten the thumbnail like this. So the backdrop isn't visible. So that's why we use the ghost effect. So the thumbnail becomes transparent. And when we use the stop button, then the whole script is stopped and the thumbnail appears. So all the time, the thumbnail is there only. But we can't see it because of the ghost effect. So everybody, that we are ending this video right here. So everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time with more to show. Also, there is going to be part 3 of the project. So please see that too to understand the whole project clearly. And the next part, we will take a look at the costumes too. So please see more of my videos by clicking on the buttons shown, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.